Hello, welcome to Inavate TV. We're here today to talk about all things LED. I'm joined from Leo from Unilumin and Nick from Visualization. Welcome, gents.
Hi there.
Hi, Paul.
So the news came out recently that Unilumin has taken a decision to go with the distribution model. I just wanted to you, Leo, why did you choose Visualization as one of your distribution partners? And why did you choose to sort of go down this slightly different model for you guys?
Yeah, sure. So Unilumin has been active and a major player within the UK market for the last 8 years as one of the major manufacturers out of Shenzhen. We have followed a direct-only model for the majority of that time, and we've done very well in doing that, and we've grown a very successful business doing direct-only. But what we have seen over the last few years is that the market has commoditized and it started to stabilize to some degree. And as a result, our direct-only model means we're probably not extending our market reach, as far as we could be, by doing it ourselves. So we thought it's the perfect time to find a partner to help us with that distribution model, to increase our visibility in the marketplace, and ultimately to help us with the marketing, the sellout, and increasing our market share. And then we met Nick and the guys at Visualization, and we were very quickly drawn to their knowledge and their experience within the industry. They certainly have a very good reputation within the industry as well, because we did ask our existing partnerships and our existing integrators that we work with. Visualization were always very highly regarded with our partners. And I think we're looking for a partner that can provide that technical service, that technical wrap around the products, so that we know that our products are being sold by knowledgeable and very capable people.
Yeah, I mean, just go show the power of word of mouth, right? And Nick, question to you then, on the other side of that, really. When we've spoken in the past, you've always been keen to stress that Visualization takes a more consultative approach than maybe other distributors do in the market. I just wondered how this particular type of approach can help integrators who are looking at specifying Unilumin LED products.
Yeah, I think very much we obviously came from a service background before we moved into distribution. So, I call it service first is our mentality. The brands and the products are certainly key to what we do, but they're almost secondary to where do we start this process. So we're seeing a lot of LED on the market, a lot of brands, a lot of distributors, and we can see it becoming a bit of a commodity. Whether it should be, I'm not sure. But it's very easily to buy and sell LED. That's at the forefront. When it gets to the point of installation, is that process so clean and tidy? So certainly our mentality is very much understanding what is the LED being used for, what's the size of the space, where's that LED being mounted to. So it's a rare occasion where we're not actually doing the specification of not only the LED, is that SMD, is that chip on board, what pixel pitch is that LED, but also is it fit for an all-in-one product where you don't actually have a separate controller that needs to be rack mounted, or is that required to have a external bracket? So a lot of this LED do come with brackets now to mount it to the wall. That location might not be fit for utilising those brackets, so we're then able to support with specifying either a known brand of bracket off the shelf or custom bracket from a manufacturer. So we're really bringing all those pieces together, and generally our customers are coming to us for a turnkey solution. So we often then provide the installation support, and our LED packages come with a 90-day SLA. But we equally can provide an SLA for the integrators to pass on to their customers for that future peace of mind.
Sure. The final question is going to go to you both, but in sort of two parts, really. Leo, I wanted to come to you first. Nick mentioned it there, really. There are a lot of brands in the LED market. There seem to be new ones joining all the time. Why do you think it's important for buyers to choose an established partner like yourself rather than maybe one of these newer ones who may be offering, cheaper terms or something like that? Why is an established brand important for LED?
Well, I think it comes down to the trust and reassurance in the brand that you're purchasing from, knowing that you're not going to be left high and dry. We've got a repair centre here in the UK, so if anything ever does need repairing, we can do it here in country. Nothing needs to be sent back. We've got our own in-house support and service teams as well here in the UK. We have a commercial team here in the UK. We have showroom facilities, sales facilities, training facilities. So these are the things that we can offer as a major manufacturer to all of the customers, in the UK market. And specifically, from Unilumin's perspective, we are the largest manufacturer, the largest factory out in Shenzhen. We've got that global distribution network, and also we're able to invest into our production facilities. So that in turn brings the prices down for the customers, because we're able to invest into new manufacturing techniques, new manufacturing equipment. We've now got fully automated production lines, for example, and these are all things that enable the cost to keep coming down and keep coming down. And also it's important to say that from Unilumin's perspective as well, we are in control of our own destiny. We manufacture our own products. We control all of our R&D and our engineering, our innovation. We have that long range view of what's coming in the next 3 years, 5 years even. Whereas I think some of the other brands and the other entrants into the marketplace might not have as much control over the manufacturing, because they're maybe not even using their own manufacturing facilities. So certainly the major manufacturers just, they have that 100,000 foot view. We can really see what's going on, and we're in complete control of what we're doing.
Oh. Nick, over to you then. With so many brands in this market, why is it important to choose a partner like Visualization? Because it seems to me service is a real differentiator when buying LED, right? There's good service and there's bad service, right? Why is it important to choose someone like Visualization who can provide fast, accurate, kind of reliable service for integrators who actually may run into issues on site and will need someone to pick up the phone quickly to help any problems?
Yeah, I think it always kind of lends itself to where we came from as a business. Certainly in the UK in the early days, we were known for building a lot of the racks for the integrators. They could all do that for themselves. So what did we do differently? And it's that repetition. Our team are building racks all day, every day. We're the same with LED today. We've got teams out on site every day of the week installing LED, and we recognise people can see, well, okay, is there some efficiencies and some cost efficiencies if they install it themselves? Our team have been there, done that. We've done the learning. We've got the T-shirt, if you like. So from our point of view, our team are very proactive at becoming part of an extension of our integrators teams. We're there to support them, wear their shirts, and make them look good. We recognise that from time to time that might mean going the extra mile and running some cat cables in if they've not quite got there when they've been focused on another area of the project. So it's really just this. I call it a partnership. I don't like to think of us as a customer and supplier. It's not that world. We're there to win with the integrator and their business.
Fab, that's great. It's great to hear someone really pushing the service side of it, right? Because that's what I keep hearing about LED, is that there's so many products in the market, some just don't have the service that others do, right? And it's becoming a real problem for people. So all's left for me to do is to thank you both. Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Leo. And thanks for joining us for this Inavate video, and we shall see you next time. Bye-bye. Cheers, gents.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for having us, Paul.